Mr. Joe, I for raging go so run about.
Mami ti obajo.
Yo, papa, me tia me papa ko sike wa ya dia papa. NDC for one. One more number Ghana for my ye jaka e ho kire ye. Satam to si for the jadi for nyina. Mo de de PMP sika nko with DKM. Ani e bank ya wo ho mo be sisi ho amaye. Ampa mo anya hwe na mo ma bank ni nyina akolam se ye. Ani jadi for nyina sika hwe ye. And NDC for ba ba mu be ka se
Okay, thank you, Obajo. Hello, good morning.
Doctor Omar, Doctor.
Mami Tiano pay. Mitchell Sonana.
Mami mo Doctor Officer, Yorubi, Ubra Penny Michiawati. Area say, Obia Bia, as a Kakufa, and I could find why you be papa. Why, Madonna, for nothing, mine. Yes, sir. And let a crack. You let your beginner have more to stress. Dana for nothing, mine. Your papa, one time, I could find what you every time you are not or the top of what you can. You can be ministers. Until I have younger, young men will not for that my king, and then a swap of a 12 animal. That's how it is.
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
My appointment is a
Nyamiadumo now, swear.
Oh, Nyamiadum, pa.
I mean, Tiway.
Because
look at the MPP leaders. Talk of law. Obianu why law student Akufo-Addo dim onim. Why politics in Ghana? Unim Akufo-Addo dim. Why politics in Ghana? Kofi Kunedu Apreku unim ni dim. Kobobo NDC ebia de obetia any chachuchi kata. Ena Rollins because of sa fake revolution no be yemfanto. Enti Saudi we say I say dunketia ene betimi aye party ni yati. I say dunketia opese obeye president o. Munimu ameka che we that statement no be make here na munim say no okun ditia ofusu ampofo no. I tell you eye gang no gang ditia John Dramani Mahama na sabi omo madwin wo form no de omunhu omo madwin wo form omunhu sesi awa ma John Dramani Mahama abeye kontompofo sabi wa be mana beye nipahunu wo Ghana fo ani so because unim say I say look at any plan no afanti 2020 elections ni nyina kono she da bata ekiri kakra no asum John Dramani no abekasa na akwawe small boy o mu Samijamfi no abekasa no onu mu de watita ekiri kakra no abeto ayampia kakra no okọ edu be ha ye call court no ye bisa na sem bia no ate no ho my lord I'm not the one who brought the case dem nam de baaye asam no nyam nam de baaye me de wa frɛ me dance ye keke na ese me ba. And you shall say, I said, look at the other two just say, in fact, they couldn't collect the numbers now. And so now John Dramani Mahama, etimi Fred diplomat, edi sabi police near ye kura ye video evidence, kwachire na, was say papa ni career. We some amakuni edunu, we no, because we don't know presidential ambition. And the John Dramani Mahama, well, I say, look at your review. And the Sam Profono Maba Honum be petition who said, Sanko Jinano, they will pay for you. No? Don't follow them now. What dear, well, real, say, no bad, yes, and pana, or better, what, or better, Kunyanso, or Munyo, why, yappy. Oko position swap, a phonium, I fed dear, baby, I know I need that. So per se, Kaubedia, the Antigana Mutu. Anye Ghana for us woni nia papa bi obi aye bi da ho papa na ye bi se bi nyansa kwan obi atwa to ofa so bi keke wo twen den nti fa asam ne court wo ko ye no nso se woni hwe na se dunkati atete wa musunsun wa once wa ba beka eventually wo se na mu court no pa se mukita asem pa nyansa sem wo mpa muni bi ena mo ko ye no timu ena wa kura John Dramani Mahama wo ka wo ko US forum bia se wo ko kan se wo ko ho just to calm down your supporters That means we now need some money, but I said you get your PPL and I will won the election. Oh, Kasa once one ferry. Ever pim ne once won't mean for Kufado and congratulate no. But on 2012 there, 2012 or Freo after the court was Yambramo. Massa 2024 Northtown people, constituent of Northtown, more to Abana, Munjamutin. Namonso, Munmine Chiliman. Na pacho wasam ne yenti ase o mpani da look mpani fosi se aboa wuram aboa wa hunu ho so hwe na obafie pie wia ema eyi omumbom ntuma ebo omumu e di jam enti ko twa mansa kora wa hunu so hwe no antena wuram amfa huhu odasani wuram na obafie a ema yi omuntuma di jam enti o mpani da John Dramani Mahama we expect say as wabeye national asset no and can speech no ebeye national development enkoye for NDC yifo a omo de esebi omo pe akaka bensam atie no omo ho nko a na oye den obedwin nanka wo ka asem we no what we expected to hear from you some medical catch us say that man who speaks to you and advises you former president John Dramani Mahama eboto of ukona sa papa na da bia no okita flask enum ensuo kroje bia yenimu nsusu ban no eboto of ukona by that time don't listen to that man sa flask na ekita papa bi na eboto of ukwa no obetufu no eboto of ukwa ubenya don't listen to that man because by then not sa flask no the wom na it is believed to be adefufuro bia yenimu no na abane ni so nti ama wo kasa na ne kasa no ensisi so enti me de obenya nkatwe hu fi sa papa no ho so that wo be kasa no be on point na fi yahu de opese o kire now say NDC for my PM say 2024 election is going to be about future tense. You are deceiving yourselves. The 2024 election is going to be based on past achievement. You're basing on past achievement and your past tense in the economy and your future tense and then your present with the present tense but my father say 80% believe you me is going to be past tense. I have done this, I have done this, I have done this, I intend to do this. And yet I will do this because in Penifo say sebi a janan to us when they come a I'm for the children to us. And the time man can go back as win former president. Now can say career now they are so to say during NDC's time from 2008 to 2016 we built 120 hospitals 8 years and the MPPs who 8 years no move fancy 120 hospitals no man to then you got the moral right, you got the infantry to come and criticize say 111 ye. In any case, yes, a PO manifesto, the Nanado MPP, almost promise, but say, me catch you say, I come in fear 90 minutes. Answer fear 9 no be me sure boss say, Tio, me sure boss say, Messi dine at the amount. Dine no my shots, yes, when you fear. Da me share dine me share se me sino ene ye cancer wo share se dine no kro wo share se mfimens and we wie enye da me share wo bono because you and I know why a president that is why you know kasa from this angle say bosha amanyofo hye nyina nyina no mudi so in fact the flashing ones no about 70 to 80% omuntimi ni so. They just say that to convince people and to gather votes. Until a fifi kwete. Ebeka chire 2000 say 2008 say omampani kufo. Omampani that John Ajikum kufo. His Excellency, every Ghana gold nyina, gold reserve nyina wafa. And so onu kwatena se kan say what can some way we nyina so any was a political talk. This is what the NDC believes in. And in fact, the former president AY3KA said, yeah, was short memory. And he still thinks, say, Ghanaians still have short memory. But Nana Akufo-Addo, Adodankwa Ado show boy at Roma, and then what be kwana to us or be uncle school. Now they who are short memory go and prolong it. Eddie, for your information, former President John Dramani Mahama, we no longer have short memories. In fact, very deep and long one have we now because free SHS came for all. That is why you and the NDC decided to sabotage the application of free SHS.